Problems 3 and 4 on page 386, Module 12, Review. 3. The table below represents a linear relationship. What's the y-intercept? It tells us it's linear, which means we're going to have a slope. We need to find the slope. Change in y over change in x. Change in y here is 3, 3, and 3. Change in y here is 1, 1, and 1. So our slope is change in y, 3 over change in x, 1. So our slope is 3. We plug it into our equation, y equals mx. And it tells us that there's a y-intercept, so we know that there's going to be a b value. So let's plug in values. Y, 4 equals, our slope is 3. And our x value for our first order pair is 2. And then we're going to add b. So 4 equals 6. No, it doesn't. We need to add b, so we can subtract 6 from both sides. Or simply 6 plus what gives us 4, and b is negative 2. And that works for all of them. We'll do the last one. 13 equals 3 times 5, which is our x, plus b. 13 equals 15 plus b, minus 15 minus 15. So negative 2 equals b. So our y-intercept is 2. Oh, I'm sorry. No, that is wrong. Negative 2. So the answer to number 3 is B. That shows that it's really important that you don't just go for the first answer you see. Make sure that you're correct. Negatives do matter. 4. Which equation represents a non-proportional relationship? Non-proportional relationships. Y equals mx plus b, and b cannot be 0. Well, for A, b is 0. That's proportional. We don't want that. B, there is no b, which tells us it's 0. That can't be it. C, there's a b value that is not 0. So the answer to number 4 is C.